just going to fly over here because I've been looking at this trench. And I figured I want to go over here and see what's over here. And I figured it's just faster and more fun to use my toy. This is my 4th flight, by the way. Let's see, maybe we'll go up this way. It seems a little better. So yes, this is my 4th flight. This drone is incredibly easy to fly. And I've been wanting to look at this trench because they obviously did some work in here. This is crazy. Wow. This is the way to go for a hike, looking for gold. Let's have a look around. Man, they did a lot of work in here. Oh, a lot of work. So I'm up above the trench. Let's go over here and see if we can follow this trench. See if we can find what they were looking at or for. I'm starting to get a lot more used to not turning my head, and my hand is starting to understand more what the controls are doing. So a little bit more sure of the controls and the speed. The speed is just a trigger, and then you guide it like a joystick. Rotating your hand left and right. Yeah, this thing it's kind of intuitive once you start getting used to it. Okay, now I'm turning my head, so I'm going to stop. Straighten my head out. Okay, I'm up above the pit. I'm going to come back and fly down around into it. Yeah, this is fun. Okay, look at, let's go up here where the pit is. Let's go see if there was anything up here. We're up on the edge of the pit. See, I would never be able to hike up here. You can see that it goes up. But the workings are down here. See if we can fly up in here. Guys, if you've been thinking about a drone and you haven't got one, this is only my 4th flight. This is freaking ridiculous, man. It's just so intuitive to fly today. Like, I don't know what it is, but those 3 test flights were like, this is sick. Oh man, look at this. I am in this pit now. Holy shit, look at this. Look at this. Look at the frickin' quartz. Look at that. Look at this quartz. Oh my god, this is frickin' ridiculous. Okay, let's fly up in here. Let's fly up into the end. You know, they obviously opened this pit way up here. They dug a narrower, they pitted a narrower trench down below us by where I'm sitting actually right now. It's funny, like I'm actually sitting 150, 200, or 300 feet away, but I actually feel like I'm in the freaking drone. Oh, what's this over here? Let's see what this is over here. I want to fly along this rim and see what I can see. Freak out. For me to walk up here and to try and walk up this, had to avoid collision there, but I wouldn't be able to survey this rim. I would not be able to survey this rim without this freaking tool. This thing is amazing. Hey, what the heck is this over here? Let me fly away from it and come around on it. That is some interesting looking stuff. This is interesting. This is really interesting. Oh, look at I think we got quartz coming out of here. Hang on, I'm going to go up a little bit. This looks like a freaking vein here. Hang on, I'm going to fly away from this. I don't know if I can back up yet. I haven't tried that yet. I'm getting a little bit disoriented, but look at that. There's some quartz. There's a little bit of green. Looks like greenstone, serpentine. And I'm flying close to this perimeter. I'm just using this thing to look around. I see a bunch of quartz float down here. Let's go around this tree. Sniff around here. I think I need to bring my detector in here. Man, I'm starting to get the hang of this drone. This is fun. Oh my god. Imagine trying to hike up here and look around. Look at this. I'm flying around the perimeter of this pit. Oh my god, you guys want to have one of these. Like, I actually don't feel like I'm sitting in this lawn chair talking to you guys on my other phone. This is my 4th flight, and I don't know, all of a sudden something kicked in. And the maneuverability of this thing. I'm not showing off, I'm just, all of a sudden it seems like I'm in it. It seems like I'm in the damn drone. And I'm able to see everything around me and fly around intuitively. Oops. That'll be a good one. I didn't pull up fast enough. So now I got to go hike and get my drone, and that's what you get for showing off. Oh, I was having so much fun. Oh my god, that was good. 32% battery left. Probably not enough to fly back, but maybe. Oh my god. Embarrassing. Hi, my name is Dave. I'm a show off and I paid for it. Shit. That's funny. Oh my god, ridiculous. I'm ridiculous. That's gonna be, that'll be good. Oh, hope I didn't hurt my drone. I'm pretty sure I didn't. Motors are stopped.